Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your GIS News for Friday, March 28. The BOS Hospital for Children has received a $123 million grant from the government of Japan to purchase vital equipment that will significantly boost healthcare delivery at the institution. Agreements formalizing the donation were signed Wednesday at the hospital. The funds are provided under Japan's grant assistance for grassroots and human security projects. It will be used to acquire 23 pieces of critical equipment, including a ventilator, 8 vital sign patient monitors, an internal mobile dental unit, and 6 internal mobile blood pressure units.
Diseases and injuries know no boundaries. As a responsible member of the global community, our commitment to Jamaican health needs continue to be a core priority for the government of Japan.
The Japanese government made another important donation Wednesday, $11 million to build a computer room, repair a multipurpose court, and fence the Wait-A-Bit all-age school in Trelawney. The improvement works is to get underway shortly and should be completed before the end of the year. The Wait-A-Bit Benevolent Society will contribute 37 computers and 4 printers. Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites thanked the Japanese government and commended school administrators for the foresight to seek the assistance.
It's the largest ministry, the largest budget in Jamaica. But we have over 1,000 schools and many other commitments. And these important additions to the infrastructure of the school would likely have had to wait for quite a while. And therefore, this is exactly the kind of partnership that we cherish.
Meanwhile, the Crooked River Skills Training Center in Northern Clarendon will benefit from a $10 million rehabilitation project courtesy of another grant from the Japanese government. Representatives of the Heart Trust NTA and the Charge d'Affaires at the Japanese Embassy signed that agreement Thursday.
Not only will the center offer specific training, but also it offers the opportunity of continuing education. Yes? Because the facilities there, I hope, MP, will be available for the eventually, soon, for the Jamaica Foundation for Lifelong Learning and the community organization to partner so that we can offer the high school diploma there for anybody who didn't get it.
Training at the renovated center will include apiculture, barbering, cosmetology, food and beverage, and cake baking. When it's completed, the Heart Trust NTA will assume responsibility to provide skills training curricula. The Maritime Authority of Jamaica, MAJ, is reminding jet ski owners to register their watercraft by the March 31 deadline. So far, the authority has registered approximately 100 jet skis under an island-wide inspection and registration drive, which seeks to account for and regulate the operations of these watercraft.
The first prerequisite for any vessel to operate in any sector at all in Jamaica is to have from the Maritime Authority of Jamaica a safety certificate. So jet skis too are coming into that net.
Rear Admiral Brady was speaking at a GIS think tank on March 26. He explained that registration of the jet skis will help the authority enforce limitations on the number of watercraft that can operate in a specific area.
As we speak now, we have a task force that is looking at putting together final recommendations for the operation to be phased back in a sort of gradual way, because it is an attraction that many people come to Jamaica for, and we'd like to maintain it.
In February, government announced several regulations for the operation of personal watercraft, including jet skis, to ensure the safety of operators and swimmers. And finally, another successful agro-tourism farmers market was staged at the Catherine Hall Stadium in Montego Bay on Wednesday. The event was the latest in a series of farmers markets being held since last year, with $10 million in funding from the Tourism Enhancement Fund. It's part of a strategic collaboration between the Ministries of Agriculture and Tourism aimed at strengthening the linkages between the tourism industry and other sectors. Approximately 35 farmers and craft artisans took part in the latest farmers market, and there are plans to repeat the event on the last Wednesday of each month in Montego Bay. And that's it for GIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.